In this video, I'm going to show you how to install UltraMEDIA. Click on the installer. Run through the install process. Open the application. The default DICOM import module is installed. To try any additional modules, you need to request a license. Go to Help, License, UltraMEDIA. Your browser will show a form. Please fill out any requested information and post a new request. Your request is sent to our licensing department. Within 24 hours, you'll get a trial license. If you received a license and you need to update the license, go to Help, License, Import, and just point it to where you have the license stored. Use license file, close the application, and then open the application up again. All modules are licensed.